Suffolk puffs, or they can also be called tally-hos or yo-yos, got a long history. And I did doubt at first whether they would work in Harris tweed, but in fact they add another dimension and they're fun to make. You can, when you're making your circles, use a teacup or saucer if you want to be exact. I find it just as easy to have a square of scrap tweed and then just cut it in a rough half circle. You don't have to be too perfect with these things. It will still work. So we have our tweed ready to go. Double thread, because you're going to be putting quite a bit of tension on it, and a nice big knot. And it's as simple as a big tacking stitch right round the edge. Suffolk puffs have been adorning quilts of all forms for a number of years. And they're just easy to make, and you can use all the scraps of fabric up. Make them different sizes for added interest. Right the way around, and then it is a question of just pulling up. You can see where we need that double thread to take that extra pull, and a couple of over stitches just to complete. Finish it off firmly and cut your thread. And then we just need to flatten him out and he's ready to adorn your work.